pangalan mo, ate?
Ay, Robilin Mariano po, ma'am.
Oh, isa po siya sa staff ng bakasyonan. Ano naman pong masasabi mo sa bakasyonan, te?
Ay, maganda naman po yung bakasyonan, ma'am. Dito na po kayo. Maganda po yung view po dito. At saka yung yung entertainment.
Eh, ang boss nyo naman po, sobrang bait
Ay,
naman.
mabait naman po yun, ma'am, si Sir Al.
Ayan po si ate. Anong pangalan mo, te?
Robilin Mariano.
Yan po, inaayos niya po ni Ate Ruby yung room dito sa family pack. So, ayan. So, may mag-check-in po kasi dito. So, ayan po, nilalagay niya po lahat ng mga beddings and everything, towel for using this bedroom. And hindi lang po yan ang ginagawa ni ate. Inaayos niya rin po lahat. Look at this one. So, pag mag-check-in kayo, pag family, hindi lang doon, naandito rin ang room ng mga bata or mga additional family you have. And then, ang pinakamaganda po ay makikita nyo yung view ng mountain and lake. Ayan din po si Kuya, isa rin pong staff. Ano pong pangalan mo, Kuya? O, si Kuya Francis, and then Jan is checking the sliding door. And they have infinity pool also. Yan. Makikita niyo po yung lake view at saka yung mountain view ng Tanay. Ayan, no? Diba ang ganda? Sobrang beautiful. Aircon, big TV, accessories. Tony's in there checking the video. And then this one, the Sir Jan is walking and ang ganda-ganda niya. It's beautiful. Ayan po, punta na po kayo sa bahay bakasyon. This one is for family room. Marami na kayo. Tapos, you have a lot of options if you want a private room or like, 2-person, 4-person. This one, Habit House.
I thought it was pretty cool inside.
It's when you're renting this one, it's 5,000 pesos per night.
And I like it.
And then, and the size of me and Tony is fit in there. So, this is the bakasyonan. And that was the Habit House that you can renting 5,000 per night. And that was the villa. That villa is for family. It's a big pack offer.